Good morning. I am Sylvia, the Crafty Old Lady. I hope you're happy, healthy, and well. Thank you for joining me today. Today I'm working on Junk Journal January 2025 and day number 22, and the prompt is repeat. Well, I thought I would do a repeating pattern on this page of the honeycomb, and then I would do some repeating bees. And then I have a couple of bee stickers that I'm going to put on to add a little color. I, however, want to see, I don't think it's going to work. Maybe it will. Actually, I think it will. I want to make sure this is nice and flat when I put this on it, so it comes out good. Well, what have you guys been doing since the last time we talked? I did end up adding the house plans that I was talking about to my Ko-fi page, so if you're interested in seeing those house plans and some other stuff of my personal ephemera, my stash, go check out my Ko-fi page. Most of them are free to show my appreciation to you guys. It did not come out super perfect, but good enough. Do you see? So now I'm just going to add some bees. Little bees and big bees. There's a big bee. Another big bee. We'll have another big bee coming down like this. And, oh, that one came out nice and dark. Okay, now we're going to have a little bee right here. I wouldn't say the bees are a repeating pattern, just a repeating element. But the honeycomb is definitely a repeating pattern. Another little one down here. Then we'll go ahead and add some of these bee stickers, which are very lovely. We got a big one, like right, I think I'm going to ink this a little bit, make it darker. See how that looks. Maybe it will blend in better. Yeah, I think it will blend in better. But we'll put this one here, like this, and then right in the middle. And then we have this little one. Let's see how that looks without. Try to just do the edges, maybe. The white parts. See how that looks. That's not too bad. We'll put this one up here. And I think we will add this little guy. And maybe another stamp or two. And I think I'll add some words. I wanted to also show you guys that what I added to some of my other collages. Whoops. So I think I better keep that on there. I think I do want to add another little bee stamp or two here. I think I'll put this one coming down like that. And maybe I might be able to fit this one right here. Let's try it. Or should I do it over there? Oh, that fit perfectly. Let's go ahead and I'm just going to keep adding bees all over the place. Little bees, big bees. I'm going to put one big bee over here. I think it'll fit okay. And, whoop. I keep losing my page, my place. I think I might have to add some glue, but that's what it's looking like so far. And I think I'm still going to add a bee right here. Alright, I think that's good. I'm going to put some kind of words on there too, but I wanted to show you that. Remember when I made this one and my quote was learn from yesterday, live for today, hope for tomorrow? I found that same saying in my little word strips here. So I added that to that, and I thought that was a cute find. I was really surprised to find that. And then I added life is fragile. Well, that was already there, but live gently upon this earth I added. And I put keep moving forward on this one with the tickets and the map. I thought that went well with that. And that one I already had on there. Now what can I add to... I need to add some glue. That's what I need to do. I'm going to look through my words and see if I can add something to this one. And then that'll be it for my, what was it? Day 21 or 22? 22, repeat. Okay, he's got to go there. Alright, now I need to find, whoops, stick. I need to find some words. And then I'll be back and show you what I found. Alright, so the little word saying phrase thingy that I found was don't forget to fly, which I thought was quite appropriate for a page about bees. So thanks so much for watching. Come back and join me for newspaper, and I'll probably skip this page because I like that just as it is. But I'm thinking I've got quite a few more pages here. I think I need to do some double page spreads, so do that maybe with the newspaper. And yeah, so thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time. Bye bye.